This is the blueprint for an iPhone 3GS laid out in one big piece. As you can see, it requires 20 sheets of A4 paper or size 0 times 2 to be
paper.
Yes.
To put
Wait, is it more?
Yeah. Wait a minute.
My Jesus.
Wait a minute.
Apple will probably hate us by now.
Yeah. Put the other one here. Good. Move. Yeah. Put the other one and the other one there.
So as you can see, we got the numbers. Now to give you an idea how big this thing is, that little spot there, that is where the battery chip is. That one. Now I'm gonna zoom out, there you can see the magnitude of it.
Is you one? That is the best diagram, man. No other one.
iPhone 3.
3GS.
And now let's
3GS.
3GS. Okay, let's put in perspective. I'm gonna show you guys now how small the chip is. So that's the actual chip there.
Yeah, the chip.
Yeah, there you go. I'm sure YouTube will love this. So that's the SIM card there, right? I can see the SIM card. Memory card section as well. Memory card is showing there.
No, you see?
Okay, let me see if I can make some sense of all this. Hopefully no one from Apple will call us. Start going, you stole a copyright. This is... That's just a battery there.
The battery is there.
And it's well detailed as well.
You want one diagram, I give to you the diagram.